Hi, I'm John Collins and I would like to welcome you to this visual tour. If you would like to see this home, call 410-224-4999 and we will make the appointments. Beautiful end-of-unit townhome in the community of St. Andrews at Bay Hills. Hardwood floors are found throughout the main living level of this home. The kitchen offers an efficient workspace, loads of cabinets and gas cooking. A gas fireplace highlights the living room with a bright and cheery alcove that opens to a deck with private wooded golf course view. Walls of windows are an added bonus in the very large dining room. The bedroom level features a suite with vaulted ceiling, luxury spa bath and 2 walk-in closets. Bedroom level laundry. 2 front bedrooms share a full bath and boast vaulted ceilings. The lower level features a full bath and a large finished space with a gas fireplace and walks out to a nice deck area with serene views. A 2-car garage is an added bonus. Community amenities available to St. Andrews are golf course memberships, pool, playground, tennis and basketball courts, and more.